Hi, Group 3 students. Wait, actually, this video is not only for Group 3. Quite sad today. Yesterday, grade A lost the finals. That's so sad, to be honest. So, whole day I'm gonna be sad. But anyways, you gotta be sad with me by doing your homework. So, hopefully this video is gonna help you with the homework. Now, this video is gonna focus on finding unknowns, and I tried to target the more difficult questions for you guys. Hopefully those will help you with your homework. Okay, so we gotta find x and y over here. Again, matching the letters is so important for these kind of questions. Now, since you already learned congruent, you need to look at this, make sure it's similar. I know this chapter is similar triangles, so your mind is just going to automatically think it's similar. So, but in the exam, they're going to mix it up. So be careful with that. Again, the main difference between the two, similar will be related to ratio, while congruent is related to equal. But for the angles, they are still equal. Okay. Over here, x is t, c is the matching side or corner with t. Therefore, x is 42 degrees. Okay, again, x is t, t is the third letter, c is the third letter, c has a 42 degrees. Therefore, x equals 42 degrees. For the angles, there's no ratio. But for the sides, there is a ratio. So for the angles, it's still equal. Because the total angle in a triangle is always 180 degrees. No matter how big you make the triangle, it's still 180 degrees. Therefore, it doesn't change. Next, y. So y is between u and v. UV is the first two letters. That means we have to match it with AB. AB has a side of 8. Now y, you gotta pick another number on the big triangle. 8 is the only one. 8 is probably gonna match with 10, but let's make sure. TV, television, matching with BC. BC is 10, so that's why everything makes sense. Move 8 to the right. We have 8 over 10 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 divided by 10 is 6.4. So that's the final answer. No units. Okay, now we go to maybe a more difficult one. Let's try number 8 here. PQR, just put it over here so it's easier for us to look at. PQR, they're sharing R though. So it's not these two triangles that are similar. It's actually PQR, this big one over here, and QSR, this one. So they're actually overlapping each other. You gotta be careful with that. So find PQ. And make sure all this information are drawn for you. 8, 10, 12 are there already, so that's good. PQ. Now PQ is the first two of PQR, the bigger triangle, right? So if I try to color it, again, you can try to make use of your highlighters if you have one. It's going to be useful in this chapter. PQ, first two letters. QS is the first two letters of the other one. So PQ over QS, which is 8, is equals to... we gotta get another side for the red triangle, right? So QSR is blue. For the red triangle, I can get 12 here. I cannot get 10 because 10 is not the whole side. So I have to get the 12 there. 12 for the red triangle QR. QR matching with SR. So SR is 10. So PQ equals to 12 over 10 times 8. 8 times 12, let me use my calculator now. 12 times 8 divided by 10 is No unit. Now for B, PS PS is this one here, right? Now we need to find PR. I think if we find PR, we can subtract it with 10, and that's how we're gonna get PS. So let's try to get PR. PR belongs to the big big triangle, the red one. PR, first and last letter. First and last letter of the blue one is QR. QR is 12 equals to, we can make use of the same ratio here, 12 over 10. So PR equals to 12 times 12 divided by 10 is 14.4. 14.4, right? And then we need to find PS. PS, the whole thing is 14.4. PS is 14.4 minus 10. So PS is 4.4. Okay, so let's do this one. Last question, number 9. ABE, two angles given for you. ABE. The other one, EAD. Okay, there we go. There should be a difficult one. So we need to find BAE. Oh, we gotta find BAE, this one. 115 is probably just this one. BAE. Wait, what? Oh no, we have to find BAC. BAC. Okay, BAC is this one over here. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, if we can try to find this one, we can do 115 minus this angle. We'll give you the red one. So that is DAE, angle A of the blue one. The middle letter. So the middle letter is A, middle letter of the other one is B. So actually, angle DAE equals to 30 degrees. B, angle B of the red one. Oh, I forgot to put the reason. Corresponding sides, similar triangles. So always remember to put it. It is normal. If I'm forgetting it, then most likely you're gonna forget as well. So try to double check your answers. Corresponding angles, similar triangles. So that's 30 degrees, right? The blue one there is 30. So easily we can find this one that we want to find. Angle BAC is equals to 115 degrees, because 115 is the whole thing, right? The whole thing minus 30 should give you the other side. Minus 30 degrees is equals to BAC. So 115 minus 30 is 85 degrees. And that's how you find the answer. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you around the school. Bye.